Most commercial properties fail for one simple reason. Hindi dahil pangit ang building. Mali ang foot traffic strategy. Kung hindi dumadaan ang tao sa harap ng tenants mo, kahit gaano kaganda ang design, mahihirapan silang kumita. So here's a 3-phase strategy used in successful commercial developments. Phase 1. Get the bones right. First, macro layout. Your site should naturally guide people past as many stores as possible. Align pedestrian paths from parking, transport stops, and anchor tenants, so people are forced to walk through the commercial area. Avoid dead ends. Use loops or figure-8 pathways so every shop gets exposure. Phase 2. Activate the frontage. Next, make the street alive. No blank walls. No parking in front of stores. Use glass storefronts, frequent entrances, and cafe spill-out spaces. When people see activity, they slow down, they stay longer, and tenants earn more. Phase 3. Curate the tenant mix. Finally, strategic tenant placement. Daily needs like groceries and pharmacies bring consistent traffics. Destination tenants like restaurants, gym, and cafes increase spending. Cluster complementary businesses together so visitors move from one store to another. Because successful commercial developments are not just buildings. They are carefully designed for foot traffic system. For more tips on smart property design, follow architect Brendan Arufa.